This shepherd pie is so delicious and you will love it from the first bite till finishing the plate. And the best part of the recipe is even diabetic people can also enjoy the recipe. I'm using chicken breast meals, which is also a good source of protein. Instead of potato, I'm using sweet potato. There are two reasons. First, I don't want to cook too much food, and the second, in all these recipes, I'm just replacing the ingredients, not the flavor. In fact, these diabetic friendly recipes are high in fiber and protein too. Let's make it.